Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can generate images from making your own prompt on ChatGPT and Google Gemini. So first go to ChatGPT and then you're just going to type in make me an image prompt on, for instance, like you're going to set the scene on a young woman in her 20s wearing a autumnal outfit. The scenery is at like a pumpkin patch maybe. I'm just going to make it very vague, but obviously you're going to make it a little bit more detailed than me. Go to Google Gemini, paste it, go to tools, select the nano banana, create images and submit. And it's going to generate the image based on your prompt. You can also use it using your picture, but this is what it looks like. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.